feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
To play Madden 24 on PS5 versus Xbox, ensure both consoles are connected to the internet. Use the game's cross-play feature to invite or join friends across different platforms. On PS5, navigate to the game's online section, select Cross-Platform Play, and send an invite to your Xbox friend. Similarly, Xbox players can accept invitations or send them by accessing the same feature. It's essential to have an active online subscription for your respective console, such as PlayStation Plus or Xbox Live Gold, to enjoy seamless multiplayer experiences.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.